Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to learn how we can edit our character, our sprite. So what we am going to do, I'm going to click on costumes. When I'm going to click on the costumes, a editor opens here. Okay, in this editor I can change or make my own robot or make my own character here. So what I'm going to do, I can simply duplicate it. Okay, I'm just going to duplicate this first one, just copying it, and it has made me another copy and it has renamed as robot A2, right? So because I have clicked here, otherwise it would have clicked, if there was no robot here or no other costume here, it would have named it as robot B. It takes automatic naming. All right, so if I'm going to duplicate this one, it is going to make the name as D2. Okay, so I have just created this A2 and I want to change something in it. Let's say I want to change the color. First of all, I have robot name here. I can rename it as well. I can rename it my edit. Okay, you can rename it as you like, but renaming it in a sequence can help you in many things. Okay, first of all, what we have here is fill color. So I am going to select anything. I have to select something to change its color. From here, I can choose anything, maybe double colors or maybe a solid color. I can change the color. Let's say I want to change the color to red. Okay, blue, whatever I'm looking for, I can change the color. I have to select anything. For example, I am going to select this one. So I can move it from here. You see what is selected. From here, you can see I can undo it, undo the last change I did. So I have just selected it. These are actually three things. They are grouped together. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change the color first of all. First, I have to select it. Remember to select it. Change the color to, okay, something else is. Let's change the color. Okay, something else is changing because my selection is not here. I am going to, you see, something else is changing. The eyes and the mouth, there, these are changing. Okay, so we don't want that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo it. So it is back to its normal position. Now this is what we wanted to change. Okay, we have to select this one. Okay, now the color is yellow and you can understand what is selected here. From this yellow, I want to do it green. It is green now. Okay, so from here I can change the fill color. Next to it is outline. Okay, I am going to select this one again. Remember, be sure what is selected. From here there is no outline. I am going to click the outline color and you can see the outline color has changed. Okay, so from here I can change the color of outline. I can undo if I want. I can undo. All right, all the things have been undo. Now let's see this thing. We are going to just change this, the colors of this thing. I'm going to change the color to red and the outline is blue. I'm going to change the color to green. The outline should be green and it should be more visual. Okay, so the color and the outline has been changed. You see, these were two another things here. Control Z, Control Z. I can do it from my keyboard as well with Control Z undo. Okay. Now I'm going to select this one and change the color. The colors of this object has been changing. So you see, that's how we change the colors. We are going to do some more things here, but in the next session. See you in the next module. Bye bye now. Take care.